New Temu coupon codes or the best coupon codes on Temu. First things first, before you add something to your cart, you just have to create a new tab if you're using your preferred web browser, and then just simply head to this website right here that's going to be called couponfollow.com. Now, this website is giving us out for free codes that is going to be 80 to 90% that's going to be working. You just have to take a look on the expiration date of the coupon code so that you should be able to take advantage with it. So once you're here, you just have to go to search for a store and then just simply type in Timo and you should be able to see the Timo result at first. So in here, as you can see, you are given out multiple codes that we can take advantage with, but you just have to take note that you can only these or you can only use this twice. So say for example, you would like to see or you would like to use the 100% off. Just simply click on show coupon code so that you will have to copy the unique codes before you can place an order on Temu. So that's the best or the new Temu coupon codes.